ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. So if we've already got some text on our project but we want to change it, how do we do it? Well, instead of pushing the plus button to add something, we're going to push the square button to change something because we've already got the text there. We want to change it, so we push the square button and go to Edit Overlays. We push the X to confirm and then it brings us to this screen. Now we want to push the square again because we want to change the text that's on screen, and we've got all the options that we know we can do to change or use to change the text that we want. So we can transform it or change the colors or whatever we want to do. Now you'll notice that we have two sets of text and one of them has a red box around it. So the text that has the red box around it is the one that we can change. So we've gone on to this one here, we're going to change the color to yellow and you see it changes just that one. Now if we use the keypad or the D-pad on the controller, we can scroll between the two different texts. So let's change the other text, the one with the red box around it. Again, we're going to change that. We'll just change the color to a different color, whichever one, and confirm, and you see that change that color. So that's how to edit text. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.